Hello students. Now today we will read page number 88. Nowadays, numerous measures are taken by the government to reduce loss of life and property during a cyclone. Meteorological forecasts of cyclones are made 3 to 4 days in advance and people are evacuated with the help of the local government at some places. Cyclone shelters have also been constructed. Floods and droughts. During heavy rains, rivers overflow and flood the surrounding areas and submerge everything. Floods cause a lot of damage to life and property. Herds are washed away, cattle die in large numbers, and crops are destroyed. Thousands of people die because of drowning, snake bites, fever, and infections after a flood. As crops are destroyed, famine like conditions occur. People who lost their jobs migrate to other places in search of jobs. Farmers take up work as laborers to earn for themselves and their families. In India, Bihar and West Bengal suffer from heavy floods due to the overflowing of the river Ganga every year. In the north, eastern states, especially in Assam, the river Brahmaputra floods almost every year after the rains, causing severe damage to life and property. Odisha too faces the fury of floods. While excess rain causes floods, its scarcity causes droughts in India. Farmers depend on the monsoon rain for irrigating their fields. Sometimes the lack of rains for a long period of time results in a drought. There is scarcity of flood grains leading to starvation and death of a large number of people and cattle. Floods and droughts are both related to the erratic and unpredictable nature of the monsoons. A number of steps have been taken to reduce the effects of floods and droughts. Check dams and canals are being constructed to harness water as they bring more area under irrigation and reduce dependence on rain. Earthquakes and landslides. A shaking or trembling of the earth's crust is called an earthquake. Earthquakes are caused by sudden movements within the earth. When such earthquakes are of great intensity, they cause great damage to life and property. So it was the page number 88. See the video and do the practice of it. Thank you.